What's up, guys? And today,
wait, you're recording?
Yeah. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna
yeah, what he said. He didn't say anything.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna be doing a weird TikTok dance that I can't do. It's gonna look weird because we're doing
in this video, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do like the my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. We're gonna do that one. And then we're gonna do the who can chug a sparkling water without burping one, too.
But that's gonna be in 2 segments.
Yeah, that's gonna be the second one.
Yeah.
So like,
yeah.
let's get it, guys. Yep. Let's get yo.
Let's get yo.
Let's get it yo.
Oh. Okay. How was that? Hey y'all. What do you think of my yellow socks? Yep.
Alright, and today we're gonna be doing the chug a 7-Up.
Or Sprite, whatever
or Sprite,
it is. Yeah. All I have is 7-Up, so.
Without burping. So,
yep.
Yeah.
That.
Alright, so.
Shaking it.
No, it's not.
And then waking up.
Where did you go? I forgot to film.
Bro, I drank most of it. I already drank most of it. And I'm not even joking, I drank half of it.
You just did this explode. There's no way, Jackson, you have to be pranking.
No. I'm still shaking mine.
Why?
Why not? Oh,
guys.
Not it still working? That's crazy. Oh, it looks like slime.
Why does that look kind of cool?
It's slime.
Guys, as you can see, we had a little bit of a problem.
Yeah, that.
Alright, so I mean,
yeah, no.
We have half the bottle left. Let's try it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. He finished it, my cameraman special, so keeps editing the video, but so when I do this, that doesn't mean to always end it, okay? Just when we were doing that part, like dang. But I drank this much, he finished the bottle, and I haven't burped yet. He hasn't he hasn't either, so I'm just gonna finish this.
I don't feel too well. Oh, okay. No. No, weird.
My tummy hurt.
I can't do it. My tummy hurts. I already lost my first burp. I don't think it's coming back. That was even bad. Ow.
Man, what do I do?
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right.
Ow.
I think did I win?
No.
I didn't. Oh no, it's
wait.
coming, it's coming.
Wait.
Why didn't you do that?
That's so
Ooh, that feels better. I'm gonna end it.